Did you know that nearly half of adults over 30 have some form of gum disease? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. But don't worry, because today we're going to find out how to fix it fast. Stick around and let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of periodontitis and how you can take immediate steps to improve your gum health. If you've been experiencing gum issues, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have some actionable tips to help you tackle this head-on. So what exactly is periodontitis? Well, it's a serious gum infection that damages the soft tissue in your mouth and can even destroy the bone that supports your teeth. Ouch, right? If it's not treated, it can lead to tooth loss. Symptoms include swollen gums, bad breath, and even loose teeth. Yikes! It's a challenge many face, and it can feel overwhelming. But fear not. There are ways to address it, and we're here to walk you through them step by step. All right, let's explore effective at-home remedies that you can start using right away. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description. And in only 10 seconds, you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.